Okay, today guys we are on the hunt for a very special car, and I'm sure if you saw the title and thumbnail you already know what it is, so let's go. Bedroom off. But first we gotta meet up with someone who I'm sure you all know. Some of you may know him as the IS guy, some of you may know him as the rotary guy, but for the cultured, you know him as the Ferrari guy. So we're gonna go find Mr. Ortega himself. We have arrived, and for those of you who are wondering, yes, the cup holder is still here. Ooh, looking fresh. The reel's doing pretty good. The reel's at like over 300,000. Hey, hey!
Is this vlogception?
Hey, what are you doing?
Is this vlogception?
Well, you got the light and everything.
Yeah, you know I did. Did you get the same mic? Oh, yes, you did. Nice.
The dead cat, it slides farther. There's a second lip, so it doesn't, yeah, that lip, this
stupid?
Yeah, it goes on all the, this lip right here, slide it farther.
Are you serious, dude? I'll fuck with it later.
You can, like, push it on and it clicks in.
Nice. That's good to know. Apparently I'm learning new stuff about my entire setup. Software developers, you guys have this garbage.
Yeah. So much easier. This is your specialty, the pizza B-roll. Just water.
I know it's a
Tokyo Drift is very good.
the best. Alright.
You're looking legit.
You know it, dude. Too legit to quit. I'm so tempted to create a pro.
Two vloggers in the wild.
I'm so tempted to get me on.
We've made it. Let's see what's he doing over there. Now this is a GT2 RS Club Sport 25. You can tell because it says it right there on the back of the car.
Those exhausts.
Those look like little jet turbines coming out the bottom.
It's like,
That looks really cool. Just all the raw carbon. Just point out like really obvious things. Like look at this raw carbon wing. Center locks. And then we got the gloss carbon on the side.
Yeah, it's got some black wheels with, you know, the neon on there.
Yeah.
It looks pretty cool.
That's a throwback to like other race cars that had that exact same thing.
Yeah.
And this thing is actually so cool.
It's got these headlights that are just like
Yeah.
light bars. You know? That's pretty cool. Oh, of course, hood pins. You gotta have the hood pins.
That's the Amazon Prime special. I'll make sure to link those in the description for you guys.
You actually could. Those are just arrow catches.
Yeah. Yeah, man, this thing is so cool. Are you getting B-roll?
You know, dude. I get my
The ninja walk?
Ninja walk going.
I'm gonna get B-roll of the B-roll. It's a shame we never got these. These are so cool. It looks so aggressive. Don't the slant noses get some hate? Because it doesn't look like a 911.
I can tell you, I'm not big.
Well, it definitely doesn't get as much recognition as like when it's got the big headlights up front.
They are center locks.
They are.
They are center locks.
Wow, center locks. That's cool. We got the Adam LZ spec GT3 RS minus the body damage. It is being rebuilt though, which is pretty cool to see by who's rebuilding Adam's GT3 RS? You've seen that guy? I think he's in like
Matt Armstrong.
Matt Armstrong?
Yeah. I love that guy.
It looks so funny because it's all torn apart when he took it out for a spin.
Yeah. I thought it was funny, like the first start, they like pushed it. Yeah. Supercharged.
It's supercharged? Wow.
Supercharged, baby.
Man, look, the belt pulley is like riding right up against the rear window.
Yeah, imagine doing any sort of service on this thing. That was thank you.
And this is the Doug DeMuro spec right here, I'm pretty sure. I think this is the same blue he has.
Awesome.
This steering wheel looks like modern. Is this whole interior kind of...
That looks like a Ford Mustang steering wheel.
Hey, they've got key tags on the thing, like at the dealer. So the porters can find them.
But the better thing to note is that the keys are inside of it.
Oh, true, yeah. Cold start, guys? Cold start here. Give me one second.
Cold start.
Imagine just like it's dead silent.
What?
Yeah, we could. Yeah, we'll drive it right off this thing.
And then it'll be perfect.
Okay, well, let's see. Are we? Okay, I don't know if we're getting out of here in a 911. This one looks wild.
It's pretty cool.
Oh, the third
fucking
brake
wild.
light. The third brake light probably adds downforce in its own.
Look at how much it's leaking.
What the Brothers collection doesn't want you to see. all these cars leak a quart of oil every couple hours.
We're getting the upskirt view of the Brothers collection.
Right there, guys. That's what we came here for. Not that guy. Or Kyle.
No.
This hood release looks like a little tongue sticking out. My aquatic Ferrari.
So scary.
This thing probably rips.
Is it a V12 or is it just a 6-cylinder?
12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You just count the headers.
Well, I know, but I haven't seen it inside, so I don't know if it's got another bank. We got an Enzo. We got an F50. We got an
F40. F40 gang. This nose is so iconic. I think the Veilside Mark V Super Kit has a very similar like nose.
Yeah, they did go for something kind of like it. But it's like, you just can't beat the original, you know?
So this is actually a drift spec. You can see he's got dual calipers. This is often done. This is often done so you can actually run a hydro, and so that's what that second caliper there's for. If you look inside, he's probably got a big drift stick in there. But black Testarossa. Man, this thing looks menacing. I don't think I've seen one of these black before. I've only ever seen them in like red or yellow.
All right, Ben.
Okay, F40 or F50?
I was about to ask you the same exact thing.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. F40. Yeah, I mean like, it's the last Ferrari.
You cannot compete.
It's the last Ferrari. This thing's a cheap knockoff of. I'm just kidding.
No, 100%. It's 100% true. Because like this was the last one made.
Enzo put his heart and soul into this.
He fucking, dude. He put his whole nut. This thing.
I mean, like also pop-ups, no pop-ups.
That's a good point.
Pop-ups, no pop-ups. Oh man, I wish this thing was popped open, like full clamshell front and rear doors. I guess we don't get to see that right now though.
It's nothing to nag about.
Also the wheels.
Yeah, the wheels are
These wheels are
those
so
are the
much
cheap
better.
knockoff of like what this is. 100%.
This is the most expensive car here, right?
One bot. Oh, yeah.
Did you not see it?
I didn't even see the Tesla.
Wait, this is the most expensive? What even is this? Oh, it's a 250. Oh.
That makes sense.
Oh, I've never seen one of these in person. Isn't this the most expensive, one of the most expensive cars ever sold, period?
So this is the most expensive car in this collection. And
whatever that burgundy piece of garbage over there was, like...
That's probably just like the Honda Civic Ferraris. Right?
Where's the brakes?
Like,
Where's the brakes?
they're drums, dude.
That's a big drum, dude.
Yeah, there's performance drums, baby. You gotta soak up all that heat.
Man, drums all around. I wonder if my car brakes better than this. Oh, look at the little...
They're cool. Wait.
The little rear view mirror. It's on your dash.
Do you think I'm fucked up for saying that I would never drive this thing? I would never want to.
I'd like slam it, put it on 3 pieces.
I mean,
body kit, big wing.
Yeah, dude. Throw some DC coilovers on it, you know?
If I wasn't allowed to sell it, like I just abuse this thing.
Yeah, 100%. Like this, I would never drive it. Go to the takeover.
Yeah, I was thinking of picking up one of these for Spirit Peaks, just turn it into a drift missile. I was gonna cage it. But then, you know, they went up in price, so it kind of got out of my price range, but...
Yeah, dude, the COVID price spike on cars, man.
Yeah, I used to see these at SPR all the time.
Dude, I saw one of these on Facebook Marketplace for like $3,000.
Yeah, back in the day, though, before they were super expensive.
Yeah, now they want like $8 million for it.
That's inflation for you.
It's wild.
One day they're 800, one day they're 8 million. This thing is all the money right here. Like, you could get... How many F40s could you get for this thing? Because what's F40 is
like $2 million right now.
Yeah. You could get 4 F40s, or you could get this thing.
Can I tell you something right now? Hot take.
I'd rather have that.
I would rather have 4 F40s.
I would too. Yeah.
You would rather take this car?
Huh?
Easily, yeah.
Dude, you want this? Why would you?
I bet you can't go like 80 miles an hour in this thing. I don't disagree. I don't disagree.
But it's better.
I don't disagree, but like,
I'd rather take the Testarossa, the F40, and the F50.
Yeah.
Over just like a fraction of what this thing is. Yeah.
You could probably
you probably get all of this stuff.
It's like 3 to 7, depending
Oh.
how many.
But if you get like a cheap one,
I'll flat out buy the Enzo and then I'll finance the rest of these
just get a clapped out
instead of
Enzo.
getting this.
Yeah.
Yeah, get a beater Enzo.
Side vents on the doors.
You saw the video on Instagram, right, where the dude's swinging it in the snow?
Yeah, 100%.
Oh my gosh.
That full like 80s interior. Dude, it's such a vibe in here. I love this car.
That dude that was swinging it in the snow, I guess he reached out to the media guy and he's like, hey man, it's snowing, I'm gonna go swing my Testarossa. You can film it if you want. I'm gonna do it either way. And like, he wasn't even doing it for the video. He's just gonna go out for like a little joyride. He's like, if you want to film it, you can. I want to see the DDE 550 someday in person. That thing looks so cool. Do you think they'd let us sit in the F40 if we asked?
And those are
Look
like
how easy the oil change would be on this.
they're like diesel filters.
Those
Look
things
how
are-
fucking
those are
big
massive,
they are.
dude.
They go all the way in there.
Okay, we've stepped away from the Ferraris for a little bit to see what else is here. I mean, we could stay over there all day and we're definitely going back. Hey, look, a Bugatti.
Yes, for sure. Okay, right in here, hun.
A little Veyron for you. Oh, dang. Ooh, a 918. Oh, man, this place is cool. Where'd Irvin go? There's cool stuff over there. See, like, if you're getting the CGT, I would get the 918.
Hey, they do have the FXX.
Oh. It's just so wild that there's just a Chiron chilling in the corner. Like, no one's over here. No one's taking a look at this, because you look right over here, and you got all this stuff. Yeah, what is it?
All Bugattis are ugly cars. I would never fucking want one of these things. I mean, they're full carbon and everything, so they're cool, but like... they're
They look
not
cool, but not in a, like, I'd want to own it cool. Like, I take this probably.
Full, like,
My mind is just blown right now. This stuff looks so cool. We could do without all that junk over there, but I mean, like...
oh my god.
Mono wiper. Why are mono wipers so cool? Especially when they just like rest in the middle as opposed to like that, like off to the side.
Well, yeah, that's the whole
Like it's just got to go right in the middle. Okay, well, Ford, Dodge, Ford, Chevy, Mercury, Dodge, Plymouth.
aquatic raft.
Yeah, like this area, this over here is dead. There's no one over here. And then, like, why? Why? There's race cars over here. What are your thoughts on Cobras?
Covers are cool.
Really?
See, here's the thing. I respect cars that were built to be fast and like aggressive race cars. The thing is, like with like a lot of the American muscle stuff, they're just boats. Like this thing is like stupid light, fat V8, lots of power. Like honestly, it would probably feel like it's trying to kill you the entire time you're driving it. But like,
It's not probably, it would try.
no, 100%. But like,
I don't know. I don't know. I don't know about all that.
what?
I don't know. They just look ugly.
Okay, I'm not saying that I like how they look, but I think I'd say I respect them more than I respect any of like the
It's like the American Miata. No, I'm
muscle
just
cars,
kidding.
you know?
I can't believe there's no one in this room,
I know.
and then this place is packed. This looks like Orchard's Cars and Coffee. Like R5 problems.
Yeah,
Camera's
dude.
getting too hot.
Straight up, like
Took 4 pictures and 30 seconds of video, and it's about to blow.
well, I like.
This is one of the coolest specs I've seen.
Well, I mean, it's like an actual.
It's the race. Oh, it's the race car.
Yeah, it's like. You think Ken Miles drove this? He probably drove this. Carroll Shelby probably drove
I love this. So the steering wheel's on the right, and then you've also got the shifter on the right, so the bloody Americans can figure out what they're doing.
It's tall. It actually drives them.
You are not going through any drive-throughs with this window right here. You could not get your McDouble through that, that's for sure. Okay.
New battery. Old. Swap. Here we go. Done. Dude, that's not,
Time.
That's not bad.
That's got to be a world record.
I think so. But I just put in the dead one.
I'ma go get it, they waiting for blessings. I've been taking L's and I lost they lessons. To get your money, I got an obsession. If trap is a sport, then it'll be my profession.
It's a lot of carbon. This track is barely going to make it around. I didn't even see that until now, dude. They got a race car on the wall. We completely missed this when we first went by, but this is a Toyota 2000 GT, and this thing is pretty legendary. The race car version of it, so right behind here is the battery, and they moved it here to get it lower, and there's a battery cutoff on the race car version on the outside of the car right there, which is pretty cool. It's got pop-ups, of course. Series 2. I have no idea what that means, but it's probably something important.
We're total fake fanboys, dude.
Oh, look, they have like all the vents back there. Yeah, I've got no idea what this thing is. So in Japan, they're actually taking these cars, or models of these cars, and they're making 3000 GTs. So they're taking this and throwing a 2J in it, making it a 3-liter, obviously. But this car is so much more narrow than you think it would be. Like, compared to everything else in here, or even just, it's a very narrow car. The old penny farthing. What a beast. If you know, you know. The Lamborghini truck, bro. I'm surprised he never got popular. This could be like, this could have been the G-Wagon right here. This could have easily been the G-Wagon. But nobody knows what these are. Nobody's even seen these things. Big old V12 truck, dude. Lexus IS 300.
Coolest car here, baby.
Evo, pink Evo.
How does it feel that you just got out of that place and now you get to ride in the coolest car in the vicinity?
Oh, it's an honor. We're going for tacos. I should just become a food review YouTuber.
You should, dude.
That'd be so much easier than cars.
Water B-roll.
Hydration, baby. At least like liquid.
Perfect, got the same thing as me. This is copycat.
I ordered them first.
Okay, 1 to 10 on the carne asada tacos, since you got the same thing that I did.
I'd say 6.3. They
Okay.
were pretty good.
I give it a 7. I like the lime.
I'm a Mexican though.
Okay, well, I'm gonna end the video here. Hopefully you enjoyed me and Irvin walking around the museum and making fun of cars and complimenting a few of them. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like and subscribe. Peace.